Tēnā koutou ngā pia o patua te taniwha. E mihi atu kia koutou katoa. So my whakatauki that I have been using quite a lot is aha ko he iti he pounamu. And I think in this instance I can relate it to kai in regards to no matter what you or how much you give to someone, as long as you've got something to give. I know that times are hard out there for a lot of our whānau, so even if it's just a cup of tea, even if it's just a nice cold glass of water, aha ko he iti he pounamu, it's still precious because you're still able to give something. Just this wero here, aroha mai kia koe, matua te Umuariki, he ngāti tū reiti ahau, engari, I'm just glad to be back on board. Now I've got my sister Wikitoria with me. I'm very blessed to have her here to encourage me and for us to encourage each other. So the video or the video that you'll see is of myself and my sister and three of my 6 mokopuna and my niece. So kia kaha tātou katoa i tēnei mahi i ngā wero o patua te taniwha. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tūtangata koutou katoa.
Tēnā koutou nā pia o te wānanga o patua te taniwha, he rauna tuaturu, ko Wikitoria hau, kei Tokoro e noho ana. I just currently moved to Tokoro, been here for a week and a half now, me and my daughter Serenity. We're here for a fresh start and new beginnings. My whakaro on the whakatauki, e aha te kai o te rangatira, he kōrero, he kōrero. My take is feed the mind, feed the wairua, and feed the body. So when they leave your whare, they're feeling good. With our tamariki, our waiata, we have our 3 mokopuna, 3 of Vivian's mokopuna, my daughter Serenity, myself, and my tōkana. It's our spin on the English. We flip the English into Māori. Hope you enjoy it. Anei te waiata. Te tiro te whare kai. Kia ora. Sorry.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Kei te hari a koe paki paki. Kei te hari a koe paki paki. Kei te hari a koe te ahua e. Kei te hari a koe paki paki.
Yeah!
Pukana!
Pukana!
Hey!